Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a tutorial for beginners on eAtera. So first, go to their website and sign in or log into your account. Now after that, you will be directed here. Now if you want to get started, you should follow these things. But for now, I will just make an overview on all of its features. Let's go first to the dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you can see all of what's going on your account. You can see the ticket status, alert status, tickets, unassigned tickets, recent alerts, availability monitoring, alert per site, server alerts, site tickets, critical and overdue tickets, and many other things. If you want to see what's happening on your account in just one page, you can just go to the dashboard, then scroll down until you see what you want to see. Next is the tickets. Here you can see what you need to do. Here we have a sample ticket. As you can see, you have a conversation here. You have the assigned technician, what type, and the awaiting technician response. Here you have time tracking. You can start this whenever you start on doing it. You can also add manual time entry. You can see here the requester info, his user, job title, site, phone number, and email. Next is the sites. Here you can add a site by clicking on this new site. As you can see here, we have an example site. Next is the devices. Here, you can add your devices, but to add a device, you need to install an agent. If you want to unlock these things, just add agent on the beginning. Now to add a new device, simply click on this. What is this device? So basically, you can see what's happening on your device with this thing. Here you can see a device info, you can see the domain, the IP, when it is last reboot, date added, and other things. You can also see the alerts here. Now for alerts. Here you will see your alerts. It will be enlisted here. But right now, I have no alerts because I'm not doing anything. Now for the patch management. Here you can see also an overview of things. A patching status, devices, OS patchers, vulnerable device, missing OS patches, and other things. Now on the App Center, here you can see other apps that you can use when you're doing your job. You have here Acronis, Axient for security, the Bitdefender. Now on the network discovery. Here you can discover your customers' networks. That you need to install a Windows agent on their domain, controller, or any workstation in the network. Then you'll be good to go. Here on the knowledge bases or reports. Here you can see all the reports on what's happening on general, monitoring, technicians, and satisfactions. You also have analytical reports. Next is the refer a friend. You can refer this to a friend. You can get your unique link, then you spread the word, and then you can have a reward. You'll get $250 for the first friend, $300 for the second, and it keeps getting better. By the fifth friend, you'll get 500 for each new referral with no limit. And that's an overview for this Altera, and that's basically